Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's going on, Wagwan? So this is my first video mimic after having baby Jace. So this is going to be like a quick update of what's going on. I have not edited the birth video of what I got when I gave birth to Jace, and that's a whole next story. I'm at a point that I don't really want to talk about it too much because of how emotional it was and how difficult it was. So I'm just like to give you guys a quick update of how everything went down and how I'm doing right now. So if you're new here, thank you for stopping by, thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and do all of them good stuff that you want to do. Also, if you're returning, thank you for still watching my channel. Thank you for liking and subscribing and commenting. And I want to say I thank a lot of you guys out there that text me on Instagram and stuff like that to kind of check up on me to see if I'm okay, because I haven't posted on Instagram in a while, I haven't posted on YouTube in a while, I haven't done anything posting wise to social media. I've been watching social media, but I have not been posting anything because I was not, up until now. I'm a little bit more better now than I was a couple weeks ago. I was not into the mind space of talking to anybody, doing any social media wise, anything like that. So that being said, me kind of just stay away from social media for a little bit. Like whenever anybody asks me how is the baby and everything like that. So quick update, I'm doing fine. This is 3 weeks. I don't know when this video will get edited and put up, but this is 3 weeks postpartum. Since we have baby Jace, he's doing good. He was in the NICU because of what went down. I had to have an emergency C-section again, and you know, end up into the NICU, and he was on what do you call that, ventilator for a bit. He was in the NICU for a little bit. So that kind of, with all of that happened, it kind of put me in an emotional state, as well as my husband. Basically everybody, we were praying and all of those things. So you know, we didn't really have any time for the outside world. So but he's home now, he's doing good, thank God. I am doing better. The C-section is healing good, but I didn't want a C-section. If you're seeing my previous video before, I didn't want a C-section again, but things turned out and ended up like that. So but there's a lot of so and but into it. I'm so sorry. I may try not to do a lot of editing with that video, but I don't want to get too much deep into it. But I'm gonna start to post some other videos. You'll probably not see the birth video for a while until I come to a place that I want to go over and look over on those videos that my husband took. But I'm not at the place right now to look at those videos and some of those pictures. But I'm at a place now that my baby is okay, I am okay, my husband is okay, my other son is okay, and you know, the whole family keeping us strong at the same time. So I'm at that place right now, and I'm taking it day at a time, because with my first I had postpartum depression, which I didn't know. But you know, I try my best not to fall back into that place again. So I try to keep my mind positive, try to focus my mind on God, and you know, put him before everything else, because what I went through on that day was really, really terrible. I thought it would be easier compared to my first birth, my first baby's birth, but it was not. It was similar, but it went down a road that we never expected it to go, basically. But as I say, we're okay now, we're fine. I'm not going to show baby into this video because he's sleeping right now, and I don't want to wake him because I have a few things to do. But I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on. With the COVID, none of us have the COVID, thank God. And a week after I came out of the hospital, because I had to leave there like 4 days after I had the C-section, and he was still into the NICU, so I was going back and forth, and it's pretty difficult into a time like this with the COVID and everything. But they're pretty safe and stuff, and all them do them precautions of taking temperature, washing your hands, make sure. So if you have eye fever or anything, you can't go into the hospital. And both of us, me and my husband, couldn't be in the NICU at the same time. So one at a time after being there. So I have to go in there and then leave the building, the whole entire building, and then he goes in there and spend time with Jace and then come back out type of thing. So it was difficult. It was really difficult, but thank God none of us have it, because after we leave and after Jace leave the hospital, a week after, they said there was a breakout there with some nurses, and it was on the maternity ward. So I'm like, thank God. I have gotten tested because I came down with a breast infection. I don't remember the name of the breast infection, and they were like flu-like symptoms, and I thought, I'm like, oh Jesus, please don't tell me it's COVID. But I went in and got tested. It's not COVID. They gave me some antibiotics and stuff like that to help with that infection, because I had some block something with my breasts. Basically, they were really swollen and painful and all of those things type of thing. So we're all good on the COVID side of things. We're keeping safe. We're staying home. We're doing social distancing if we have to go out, because I have to be doing some appointments for Jace and some appointments for me. And yeah, that's basically it. Family's okay. The numbers are rising here in Calgary. It's over 4,000 now, almost 5,000 in Calgary alone. But a lot of people have been recovering from it as well. I think about 15 deaths, so not so much, thank God. But all of those people that passed away, condolences to their family as well. And yeah, that's about it really. I don't think we have anything else. I'm gonna do a separate video on like stuff that I'm using, like so Jace is almost a month, and I'm gonna do, I may do a 1 month update with Jace video, and then probably some things that I'm using since having the baby, like, you know, how to keep your milk supply type of thing, how to have an extra stash into the fridge of milk while they are breastfeed, and all of those things, all of them nice things that people kind of want to watch and enjoy watching for some educational purposes. But making this video short, thank you again for watching and stopping by. Hope you do subscribe, hope you do enjoy the content on here. I'll try to put out some more content when I can. And as I said, my birth video, don't know when I'm going to edit that, when you're going to see that, but I just want to update you guys. I am doing well, thank God. By the grace of God, this would definitely be one more a testimony added to my life, and also to my husband's life, to basically all of us, all my family life basically. Right, so thank you again for watching. I'll give you more time later. I'm seeing them other video. All right, later, bye.